We'll start in a few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes more. Wait till then. शुरू करेंगे हम थोड़ी देर में, तब तक रुकिए. You can keep your camera off. तो अपना कैमरा ऑफ रख सकते हैं. We are about to start in a minute or so, maybe in a few seconds. So please hold on to that. Thank you. We're about to start. All can switch off their cameras for a while. And I'll be using English and Hindi both as languages. So everybody is free to ask in any language later at the end, not now. मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों में बात करूंगा. एंड में आपको किसी भी भाषा में सवाल आप इसमें से पूछ सकते हो. एंड में, नॉट नाउ, अभी नहीं. अपने अपने cameras off रखिए. Please switch off your cameras for a while, and later probably I will continue on that. Oh, I need to rename myself, right? My Yeah, good morning. I'm about to start a session in few seconds. Probably I just need to rename myself. That's it. So thank you guys, all of you are joining, and I understand all of you are in their offices and maybe have office to attend. Yeah, starting. Hi everybody, and I think my details are already there on the screen. Most of you can keep your yeah, I know, and please don't send messages right now. I'll be taking your messages on two platforms. Number one is the hello, welcome everybody. I hope I am audible now, and I know most of you are joining from the offices. And as far as this particular webinar is concerned, I'll be conducting this particular webinar in two languages simultaneously, English and Hindi both. And at the end, of course, all are advised to. I mean, I'll be taking questions at the end of this particular webinar. I'll try to wind it up very fast. I know that everybody wants to attend in their offices. And at the end, I will take questions in form of chats. So as far as chats are concerned, you can ask chats wherever you have joined from. As well, you can ask chats on a WhatsApp number which I gave at the beginning. It was there on the screen. I will repeat the WhatsApp number. Please take it down: 908 223 4277. I'll repeat this number: 908 2234 277. Right? Please keep it this mind. If you need it, I'll again to give that number. But in those who are joining from Zoom can ask on chat, ask questions in Zoom chats, not an issue at all. As well, there are people who are joining from the YouTube live and all other I mean Twitch, Facebook live, etc. So they can ask questions on the relevant platforms. So welcome all. Let's start this. So basically, you must have received emails from Naukri.com, or for that matter on any different channels for this particular webinar. This webinar is strictly for the working professionals, and basically this is a government degree. How a working professionals can do a government degree while continuing their current job. मैं इस सेमिनार के अंत में मतलब मैं बीच बीच में हिंदी में भी बात करूंगा क्योंकि सब कुछ आसानी से समझ में आए. आप आपके सवाल इस सेमिनार के अंत में हिंदी में जरूर पूछिएगा. चलेगा, वो चैट के फॉर्मेट में ही आनी चाहिए. मैं एक बार बोल दूंगा कि अभी सवाल पूछिए, फिर आप उसको पूछिएगा. एडमिन प्लीज कीप ऑन renaming the candidates who are joining. Right, I can see somebody joining with the phone numbers and also keep stay, look into that. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead with this. And this particular webinar is now attended from all over the country, or from even from outside India. Also, those Indians who are there outside, those Indians, those who are staying outside, they are also attending. So I'll be discussing things over now, right? So let's go ahead. Working professionals, diploma engineers, those who are having good amount of experience, basically they have two or three problems at their hands. What happens is, because of their experience, because of their large experience, what happens is they are able to, I mean, their knowledge level is high. In fact, most of the time their knowledge level may be as higher than their bosses also, because of the experience. But what happens is, on paper, if the degree is not there, then because of the lack of the degree, there is an issue with the HR itself. So either a vertical growth or a horizontal growth. Vertical growth means, in the same organization, if you want to attain higher positions, there is an issue because HR wants a degree. Human resource, I mean HR department, they want a degree. You should have a degree, or maybe a master degree for that matter, and that should be a government degree. That is one thing. Secondly, horizontal growth. So if you want to shift from one organization to other organization, again same issue. The new organization again wants a degree, right? And unfortunately, those who are into work, I mean, those who are working professionals, they are having knowledge, but on paper they lack degree. And that's why there is a program which is there in practice, has been declared by the government of India, which is called as WILP, Work Integrated Learning Program. Please switch off your camera so that yeah. So WILP, which is Work Integrated Learning Program, under which working professionals can join government degree. Right now, okay, fine. Now you got the idea. That is, working professionals can join government degree, but there are two, three more problems comes into the picture for any working professional. First problem: I don't have time. Any working professional, you ask that fellow, he or she doesn't have time to dedicate for this particular degree. And as you know, if you are somebody is a diploma engineer, his degree will be of 3 years. So after diploma engineering, the candidates get directly admission into the second year of engineering, and after that, second, third, I mean, semester wise it goes. So total 3 years. So they have two or three problems at their hand. Number one, they don't have time. Number two, how to pass these exams, because these are government exams. These are not ordinary exams. These are standard government degree engineering exam. How to pass this exam? Your knowledge must be very high. You must be having a skill based knowledge. Your skill set is very high, but in examination that is not asked. In examination, what is there in the textbook is asked. So how to pass those exams also? I mean, your knowledge may be at par with a master degree level. There must be lots of degree holder engineers working under you, you are training them, they are working under you, they are reporting to you. But somewhere down the mind, we have in our mind, right, there is no degree with us, or there must be a master degree with us. So for that, government did introduce the WILP, that is Work Integrated Learning Program. As well, these work integrated learning programs, uh, that fear is always there. How can I pass the exam? So first thing is, how can I get the admission is one thing. Secondly, how can I pass the exam is another thing. And third thing, is this a government degree? Three basic questions they come across. And to solve these three questions, basically I'll be talking about it right now, and then I'll be taking lots of questions from you. I welcome questions in every language. Basically, we are here to speak like we speak English, Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, Gujarati. For five languages we handle very well in question and answers. Right? So we'll take the questions accordingly. I hope we can speak in Tamil also, but we will. Excuse me. So basically, now what happens with this is, uh, yeah, you can switch off your cameras, please. Thank you very much. Now, as far as examinations are concerned, what happens is, then there are certain candidates whose experience is very large, means they have like 15, 20, 25 years of experience, and then asking them to do all 3 years is again is a, it's a kind of, oh, all 3 years again, I'm after here now. So I'll talk about it, how they can reduce the duration for experienced candidate, not for everybody, right? So for experienced candidate, there is a scope and chance based upon their profile and experience. There is a scope, some scope to reduce the duration under the accelerated degree program, ADP, which is called as. But I'm making it clear, it is not for everybody. It is for only. So as far as admission are concerned, those I can see hundreds of people are joining from everywhere. But admissions we have are 40 seats. 40 seats only for working professionals, right? Number one. Number two, this is WILP, Work Integrated Learning Program. Number three, this is a government degree. So which makes you eligible for each and every government job anybody wants to, or UPSC exam, like that. Just saying, because then that's a government degree, right? So, and of course, every multinational company and all and everything. That is third thing. Fourth thing, very important thing, examinations. Every examination will take place at uh, a given government university, right? At the university location. Keep this in mind. So don't stay under the imagination that, this and that. And in certain conditions, for some people, we may, but no, normally the examination will take place at government university campus. Simple as that, right? So this is how the entire this thing goes ahead. And the program itself, like, it is of 3 years. Then there is one more scope, that is, somebody has done diploma in civil, or somebody has done diploma in mechanical engineering, somebody has done diploma in electrical engineering. Then they get a chance to switch over their engineering into other engineering. So if somebody, and if not compulsory, it's voluntary. If somebody has done diploma in computer science, now they may want to do degree in electrical engineering. They're allowed to do so, right? So you can change over your as per your current requirement. You can change your degree to any desired stream, right? I will take this all portion at the end in Hindi also. I'll be explaining the things in Hindi also, right? So you can ask questions in Hindi also, because all over India, then everybody can't like Hindi is Indian language. Kannada, Marathi, Gujarati, we can speak. Now, as far as these kind of things are concerned, whenever we are discussing about BTech, it's a government degree, and this government degree is required for promotion, for any governmental job or any higher position in any other organization. These things are required. Now, we are there, national college is there for last 27 years. 1998 we established, right? Since then we are doing we are admitting students for this. And every working professional has only one fear: how they will pass, right? How will they pass the exams? What about the exams? What about the examination? So as far as examinations are concerned, I will put it other way around, because I'll let you know in detail also. Last 27 years, our result is 100%. It is absolutely 100%. So our result is 100%. And uh, uh, I will discuss it in detail. Now, whenever this thing happens, there are two patterns of examinations. Every candidate can go for one. As you know, the examination is in a government university location. Candidate has to go there and attend the exam. We do everything, but candidate has to go there for, right? But that is the examination center, right? That is the examination center. It's a government university center. They need to go and attend the exam. Still, our result is 100%. Now, there are two patterns of examination candidate can opt for. One is a semester pattern, that is every 6 months they have to go and attend the exam. The other is yearly pattern, so they can go yearly to that university center and attend the examination. So both patterns are available, up to the candidate. That's a candidate's choice how they want to go for it, but they have to go and attend the exam at government university location. Now the question is, still, how come our result is 100%? That I will talk to you about later, not now. And we'll go ahead with this. Basically, what happens is, those who are working professionals, then naturally they want to attend. Some of you might be interested in online classes or online lectures and books and all. We do give online lectures. The thing is that attendance is not that great for online lectures, because the timings are not matching and all. But yeah, we do give online lectures, video lectures for our candidates. Online lectures are there. We don't make attendance compulsory. Keep this in mind. We do not make attendance compulsory, but we give lectures. We may think of making it compulsory, if at all. But yeah, currently we don't make it compulsory. We keep it, leave it to the candidates, because they are all are busy. See, according to me, if you ask me, everybody, those who are experienced one, their knowledge level is at par with a degree holder or more than that. But the thing is, on paper also degree is required. And for that, it should be a government degree. Then it should be an official, proper, under UGC Government of India. I mean, it should be proper government degree. It's not like per se you take admission. No, no, no. And that's why every examination of every semester, if you are in semester pattern, or year, if you are in yearly pattern, will take place at government university location. Keep this in mind. It will be at the whatever government university you get, at that location candidate has to go and write the exam, right? I'm making it very flash clear. So no examinations here and there. That's how it is. Now, as far as ADP is concerned, there are certain candidates I can see in today also they are there. Somebody is having 25 years of experience, somebody is having 20 years of experience, or minimum 15. I mean, these kind of candidates are there. Those who are having diploma long back, when they're like having a lot of experience, and this lot of experience, then naturally they are hesitant. Today onwards, 3 years is a lot of time. Then based upon their candidature, as I told you, there are 40 seats, out of which the 40 seats, I will bifurcate them. Uh, uh, if any candidate has a very good amount of experience, then there is a chance that candidate may save some like few months or 1 year or something like that out of their duration, not out of their fees, but out of their duration. But that is again limited. There are, it is called as ADP, accelerated degree program. There are only 10 seats for that and 30 seats for the full 3 years of degree. So out of 40 seats, the bifurcation is like this: 10 seats for ADP, accelerated degree program, and 30 seats are for the normal 3 years of duration. That is how the limitation and the duration is. I'll be speaking in Hindi also after this. Okay. So I'll be talking in Hindi also, and I will be taking questions upon that. Now, that's how about it. And I can see that I have been instructed just now by our admin. That is, there are three or four of our currently admitted students are also attending now, precisely. So I welcome them. They are already, I think, referred student. There is one category which is called as a referred student, SRP, that is student referral program. Our old student has referred some new students, so the new students have joined in today's webinar. So I can see that that is Mr. Sachin, Mr. Gorak, Mr. Bridev, and Mr. Akash. They are there. So yeah. Now, at the end, of course. So as I told you, this is a government degree. Number one, completely under UGC Government of India. Number one. Number two, every examination has will be take place at the university location. So one has to visit compulsorily to the university location. Number three, seats are limited. It's not like free walk for everybody, and it's never possible. If the degree is government, seats can't be open. Keep this in mind. If the degree is government, seats are limited. Simple. And we choose and pick and choose the candidates. So what happens after this is today's webinar. After this, we go through the candidates and we select some candidates. We send them. I mean, then our counselors call them that they are selected, and then we gather them once again like this for a few more question and answers, and then probably the final admission. Right? That's how it is. Now, yeah, I can see I'm already getting questions from many people, but I'll tell to ask to, I mean, I will ask you to ask the question. After that, you can start sending me chats. Then I probably will take all those questions. So far, I think I'm very clear with this. National College is there. You can watch our site at nationalcollege.in. Specifically, we are very focused on the higher education, where PhD, MBA, MCA, MTech, and all these things are involved. Most of our admissions, I mean, most of our candidates who have taken admission with us are either directors, CEOs, managing directors, vice presidents of all multinational organizations, right? So these are the very primary area where we work as far as the admissions are concerned. PhD, so they do doctorate with us, right? It's a huge degree. I mean, it's the minimum qualification is a master degree for that, and they are doing this kind of degrees with us. So that is one thing. Secondly, MBA and MSc and MCA, they too, and MTech, they take admission with us. That's another part of it. Every degree what you do with us is a government degree. We do not have anything apart from a government degree, right? Everybody who does anything or everything from us has to visit the university campus for every examination, whether it is a semester examination or a yearly examination. Irrespective of that, candidate must visit the university. Keep this in mind. If you're not visiting the university, not done. You will have to, right? Yeah. Now the question will come then: how we will pass, right? So I will be taking these questions. How will you will pass in first class? Because see, if somebody is attending the exam, and government exam for that matter, and attending the government exam, I mean degree exam, but passing the degree in, let's say in with 38%, then that degree doesn't have any value, right? Minimum anybody should have a first class. So there are two things one needs to ensure: candidate should pass in first class. So make, I mean, how to, I mean, in a webinar I may not be able to speak about it openly, but I will talk to you whenever you will get a call from us to meet us, like this. Meet us means online. Whenever if you are selected, then of course then I'll be telling, and you can ask these questions openly. I mean, come on. That time I will answer specifically. So far I think I have completed this particular thing. Like 5 minutes I'll take more. And as far as the this thing is concerned, as far as the webinar is concerned, again there is a student referral program is there. Then student referral program, I will talk in general. That is, if one refers other, the one person who refers gets some incentive, good incentive in fact. large incentive. So that's another thing. Again, I'm telling you, this is 40 seats are there. I know there are people from out of India. I'm receiving messages. I'll talk to them about it. I'll take every question I'm going to take, right? Every question. So don't register and see my as far as the I mean, I don't know what was the this thing. Yeah. So every question I'm going to take, and whatever is there, somebody has requested for something, he or she can request it again. So I may accept. So every question I'm going to answer in Hindi or English, and Kannada and Marathi also. But then everybody won't be able to understand. So please limit your questions in Hindi and English. You can type Hindi in English. I mean, they write that script in scriptic format, right? So you can ask those questions. I'll be answering all of them, right? So let's see. Number one, this is a government degree. Number two, examinations will be at the university, government university location. Number three, admission will process through us. We are the affiliated college for that every university to whom we'll send to. Four, how we are affiliated? If your organization, wherever you are working, if they send us the letter, we reply them. A letter means email. We reply them back to that organization with our affiliation letter, right? So national college is an affiliated college for like 27, 28 years. So yeah, I'll taking Mr. Sarvanan, I'll take all your questions. Don't worry, he's asking questions. Don't worry, I'm going to within 5 minutes I'll finish and then take all the questions. So if anybody wants our affiliation to know, ask your organization to send us a letter. We'll reply them back with the our affiliation letter. We'll provide it to organization, not an individual. Keep this in mind, because organization replies to organization, individual not to individual, right? But after 27 years and 28 years, nobody asked for this. I mean, it's an established name for a long time now. And you can see, yeah, my experience is there for 37 years. Actually, admin is pretty kind with me. My experience actually is 37 and a half years. So it's this June I will be completing my experience of 38 years, to be precise, right? Okay, so this is in English. Probably I spoke a lot, and then 3 minutes I'll take for Hindi. 3 minutes. जो भी हिंदी में यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है या सम्मिलित हुए इस पर्टिकुलर वेबिनार में, उनके लिए आई एग्जैक्टली टेक 2 or 2 minutes or maybe more in Hindi, and immediately I'll switch on to question and answers. Yeah, जो भी आज वेबिनार में सारे शामिल हुए हैं उनका स्वागत जरूर है, लेकिन बेसिकली मैंने इंग्लिश में भी काफी सारा कह चुका हूं, तो आप लोगों ने शायद समझा ही होगा। गवर्नमेंट की डिग्री है, गवर्नमेंट की डिग्री होने की वजह से जो एग्जाम जो होगी वो किसी भी गवर्नमेंट अप्रूव्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के सेंटर, यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस में ही होगी। हर एक कैंडिडेट को दो इसमें मतलब दो प्रकार की परीक्षा देने की अनुमति है। जैसे कि कोई सेमेस्टर पैटर्न में जाना चाहता है, कोई ईयरली पैटर्न में जाना चाहता है, वो जा सकता है। अगर सेमेस्टर पैटर्न में जाना है तो हर 6 महीने में एग्जाम यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस में जाने देनी होगी। अगर आपको ईयरली पैटर्न में जाना है तो हर साल में एक बार जाके वो एग्जाम यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस में देनी होगी। ये WILP प्रोग्राम इसको कहते हैं, वर्क इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग प्रोग्राम। ये गवर्नमेंट की डिग्री है, इसलिए एग्जाम यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस में ही होगी। जबकि हम एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज है तो नेचुरली एडमिशन हम लेते हैं। हमारा रिकॉर्ड आज तक का गए 27 सालों में 100% है, 100% है। आज तक फेल कोई नहीं हुआ है, और कोई भी कितना भी ट्राई करे वो रिकॉर्ड हम ब्रेक भी नहीं करने देते। दैट इज ऑल्सो देयर व्हिच आई डिडंट स्पीक टेल इन इंग्लिश। सो इवन इफ somebody wants to try break this record of how come 100% record in 37 years, this time I will break it, no, not possible. You try, not possible. Okay, so that's there. Then हिंदी में अगेन कि आपको इसके लिए वीडियो लेक्चर जरूर मिलते हैं, ई बुक्स मिलते हैं, वगैरह वगैरह बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती है। हम चाहते हैं कि कोई पढ़े, बहुत कम होता है। आपके पास नॉलेज जरूर होता है, अनुभव की वजह से काफी सारा नॉलेज सबके पास होता है। जो नहीं होती है वो डिग्री, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज की वजह से आप अपना जॉब ज्वाइन कर लेते हो, फिर उसमें आगे चले जाते हो, अनुभव काफी हो जाता है, उतनी सारा कागज पे वो डिग्री परिवर्तित नहीं होता। तो ये एक मौका है। 40 सीट्स है जिसमें 30 सीट्स आई मीन 40 सीट्स है जिसमें हम अभी एडमिशन ले रहे हैं। ये वर्क WILP प्रोग्राम के अंडर होगा। इस 40 सीट में एडमिशन देने का एक समय सीमा भी है कि इसकी समय सीमा 31 मार्च के आगे बिल्कुल नहीं जाएगी, या मोस्टली इससे पहले ही, मतलब जैसे शायद उससे पहले ही खत्म हो जाए। नहीं, सॉरी 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 सॉरी, आई एम रॉन्ग, मेरे पास डेट आ चुकी है इसकी। आई एम एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग। 16th of एक मिनट, लेट मी चेक एग्जैक्टली द डेट विच इज अवेलेबल। या मार्च मंडे द 16th, या 16 मार्च तक का समय है। किसी को भी अगर एडमिशन लेना है तो उससे पहले हमारे साथ नेचुरली हम एक बार इस मीटिंग में जिसमें भी लोग जितने भी लोग हैं उनको अलग अलग फॉर्मेट में वन ऑन वन बुलाएंगे। वन ऑन वन का मतलब होता है 3-4 कैंडिडेट्स को जो शॉर्टलिस्ट होते हैं उनको बुलाएंगे, उनसे बात करेंगे, उसमें से किसी कुछ कुछ लोगों को एडमिशन देंगे। सबको एडमिशन मिलेगा ऐसा नहीं है, जिनको मिलेगा तो ठीक है, बाकी सारी जिम्मेदारी हम लेते हैं। नाउ आई थिंक आई गो अगेन इन इंग्लिश। अगेन दोबारा कह रहा हूँ, गवर्नमेंट की एग्जाम है, गवर्नमेंट सेंटर में जाने देनी देनी पड़ती है। समय दो फॉर्मेट में अवेलेबल है, सेमेस्टर वाइज, ईयर वाइज, दैट्स योर चॉइस, वो आपकी चॉइस होती है। बाकी सब नेशनल कॉलेज की जिम्मेदारी होती है, आपको कहीं जाने नहीं पड़ता, आपको नेशनल कॉलेज से संपर्क करके सब कुछ सारी चीजें होती है। ठीक है, सो आई थिंक आई मीन स्पोक मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ इट, एंड दिस इज अ टाइम टू गेट क्वेश्चंस, टेक क्वेश्चंस। यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस ऑन चैट, इन चैट फॉर्मेट। मैं चैट में ही सारे क्वेश्चंस लूंगा, आप वहां से और पूछिए। एंड ओके, सो अच्छा, उसके अलावा फीस स्ट्रक्चर ये रह गया, क्योंकि ये सवाल बहुत बार आएगा। आई मीन कि काफी सारे सवाल इसके बारे में आएंगे कि फीस स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, तो वो अभी बता देता हूं, तो अलग से सवाल भी नहीं पूछना पड़ेगा। फीस स्ट्रक्चर जो है, सेमिस्टर वाइज फीस स्ट्रक्चर है। आई मीन जो एसआरपी के अंडर जिनका एडमिशन हुआ है, दे आर इनटू सम डिफरेंट कैटेगरी, सो उन्होंने सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन जो क्योंकि फीस रिवाइज हो चुकी है, जो सेमिस्टर वाइज फीस स्ट्रक्चर है, पर सेमिस्टर फीस 50,000 रुपीज होती है। 6 सेमिस्टर्स है तो 50,000 into 6, सो दैट बिकम्स 3 lakhs of rupees टोटल कोर्स फी होती है। क्या ये कोर्स फीस, I mean, okay, I'll come again. The semester-wise fees is 50,000 rupees. So for all 3 years, it is 3 lakhs of rupees. Is it required to pay the entire fee at the same time? No, you can go semester-wise if you are going semester-wise. As simple as that. Secondly, National College offers education loan, right? And if you get a national college education loan system, then monthly your installment something come around 6-7 thousand of rupees, maybe 8,000 of rupees. I'm not so exactly sure what the amount is. Monthly 7 or 8 thousand of rupees installment is there. अगर आपको नेशनल कॉलेज से एजुकेशन लोन मिलता है तो 7 से 8 हजार महीने का ईएमआई रहता है, वो फीस का, आप इंस्टॉलमेंट बेसिस पे जाते हो तो। अगर आपका ये सारी सिलेक्शन होने के बाद की बात है, बट ये सारी जानकारी आपको दोबारा एक बार जब बुलाया जाएगा तो उस समय भी दी जाएगी। ये ऐसे ही बुलाएंगे आपको और तभी ये दी जाएगी। फाइन, अबाउट एजुकेशन लोन एंड हाउ इट गोस, आपको उसके लिए कहीं नहीं जाना पड़ता, ऑनलाइन ही सब कुछ एजुकेशन सिस्टम हमारा बैंक्स के साथ। बेसिकली वी हैव अ टाई अप विद वेरियस बैंक्स, एंड दोस बैंक्स through national college get it that loan done. See, because the degree is government, that's why banks are ready to provide education loan, simple as that. जबकि डिग्री गवर्नमेंट की है इसलिए बैंक लोन दे रही है, सिंपल सी बात है। So government ki degree education loan is available from the banks through us. You don't need to go anywhere. And result is 100%. How result is 100%? Please ask at the time when we call you again, because then that time only selected candidates will be there, those who are filtered out of the first thing. कभी कभी अगर आपको नहीं बुला, if you are not called for the after the first, I mean first discussion, don't get dejected, because you know there is a chance again, there's a waiting list, and then some waiting list candidates also do get the chance for this, right? We take the responsibility over the years now, so and that's how it is. So now I'll start taking the question. I'll repeat again. Per semester fee 50,000 hoti hai. I mean there are one can pay it in installment. It is maximum 3 lakhs of the total fees. And what is the selection process? I'll repeat it again because I know I'm going to get questions on this. Selection process is simple. Everybody must need to attend this webinar. Those who have attended the webinar, not attended the webinar, they can ask for the podcast of this webinar. Then they get the audio file to listen to it. Once the webinar is attended, then we see, please inquire with your counselor when will be the next round. In next round, probably in coming week, not this week possibly, but I mean, I have to check with the admin and all. And coming week, one particular day, then there will be 2 or 3 yeah, I can understand. So in coming 2 or 3, I mean 2 or 3 webinars, it's not webinars, meeting, we will be calling few students like this online, and once we meet that, we discuss with them. They will ask us also very questions. I mean, we will be then online, one-on-one questions will be there, so we'll ask one-on-one questions, and then we'll accordingly we'll select candidates, we'll go ahead with it. Every exam is a government exam. Every semester or every year you get a government degrees mark sheet because you attended in government university. Simple as that. Government degree, our guarantee, 100% result. That is how it is. For 10 seats, we have ADP. Out of 40 seats, we have 10 seats which are under ADP, accelerated degree program, where the candidate with large experience can reduce the duration. And if somebody is really having experience more than 20-25 years, and then probably I'll talk to them on more of the things, because if you're having 25 years of experience, something like that, they're very highly experienced candidates. And there are possibilities of not only degree engineering, they are allowed to go for these combination of degrees, that is the degree and MBA together. And I mean, they are also allowed to do, I mean, that degree. But that's will give, yeah, I can see Mr. Sarvanan. Yeah, I'll be coming on the questions now. And okay, and I'll take all the questions. And whenever you're asking questions, please write below your question, you want answer in which language, so Hindi is fine, I will answer in Hindi also. Because sometimes when I go on answering in English, sometimes they may not understand. I mean, you understand English, that I know. But I would prefer Hindi also, right? And I wish one day I'll speak in Tamil also, that's for sure. Okay, English. Okay, got it. Now I'll take questions one by one. First, Mr. Sarvanan. He has given a flurry of questions. Okay, I'll take those questions. Right. So far, my webinar is done. My questions and answers are remaining, and I'll take every question. Ask me anything. Okay, ask me anything. Yes. And okay. Sarvanan Murugam, diploma in civil engineer, having completed DC in 98, course completed. Want to do BTech mechanical or civil? Possible? Yes, sir. Possible. Yes. Working in Saudi Arabia, please provide fee structure, minimum duration course if possible, 1 or 2 years. You fit in all categories actually. You fit for all categories. We got your mobile number, which I'll be passing. Okay. And to the counselor also. I mean, I hope you have a counselor for this. If at all you have, then naturally I'll be passing your number to them. And that is a question which I got. Then last query, it will attested in Saudi embassy and your HR department. 100% yes. This degree is attested for your GCC certification. That is Saudi Arabia and apostille and HR department and all those things. Yes, 100% yes. Right. You are more interested in journeying because you lost opportunities due to B or BTech. I understand, sir. That's I understand. My overall experience 31 years. Yeah, got it, sir. I think I answered all the questions, and possibly I am sending your queries also to our candidate for that matter, right? uh, they will get in touch with you sooner or later, possibly sooner than later. I'm taking another question. Mr. Shwetambar Tiwari, I have total 10 plus years experience, same field, whether my degree period can be reduced. Degree period is, I mean, depends upon your documentation. Documentation means 10th, ITI, 12th, diploma engineering, whatever you have done. Send the scan copy to your counselor or send the scan copy to the WhatsApp number which I told you. I'll repeat the WhatsApp number. Really want to send some documents. 908-223-4277. Or you can send it to your counselor. I'll again repeat the number. Or there is an email ID also you got, right? Selection.committee at nationalcollege.com. You can send it to that also. You must have received invitation to an email ID. You can send there also. We accept everything on email. That's good. So again, 908-223-4277. It's a common one. You can send it to your counselor also. So I think I have answered Mr. Shutambar. I'll take another question. Ravinder Singh, Voice. Okay, that must be the old one. I think. Oh, Ravinder Singh, you must have. I mean, getting my voice now. Okay. Mm, then there are a few more questions. Mr. Saurav Roy. What about study materials? Ebooks as well as video lectures. What more do you want? Kidding. I keep on doing this, so I just keep on kidding. These are the study material. That's it, right? Yeah. Oh, lot of question. Mr. Reggie Balakrishnan. Okay, sir, I'm working in abroad now in Nigeria. We have students in Nigeria, by the way, doing PhD. Yeah. I'll be moving to countries based on the project. I have a question. If I'm unable to attend the exam on the university, what will be the impact as I will be in abroad? Those students who are abroad, which I didn't tell in the beginning, they have a facility or a feature to attend exam online, provided you are really working abroad, right? One more thing. Now keep this in mind very well. Your WhatsApp number, Mr. Yeah. Wait a minute. I'm transferring your this thing to. Okay. Now, as far as earlier number was of Mr. Sarvanan, this is from Mr. Regil Balakrishnan. I understand. I think I answered all the questions. Those who are abroad, they get the feature to attend exam online. Okay. I don't know why the distinction is there. No? They should allow it to in India also. Uh, Okay, next, Mr. Arun Kumar Subramanian. Yes, my total experience is 20 years. I am completed diploma in electrical and electronics engineering. How many years it will take, sir? We'll meet you one on one, and that time I can tell you. Still, I really want to see your documents. Means, you know what? Like when you pass 10th, then you pass your diploma, or maybe ITI, whatever is there. Once you have that, there, then probably I'll be able to tell you. But yeah, I can see you're eligible for accelerated degree program. Yeah, I can see that. How many years course, Mr. Pawan? Degree engineering is of 3 years for diploma engineers, right? But I don't know rest of the things of yours, so probably I may not be able to. Yes, Mr. Arun Kumar, thank you very much. Then there is a question from Mr. Oh, lots of questions. Muhammad Abu Tabu. Okay. Long question. It's my exam. Like it's like he's taking my examination only. So many questions. I have completed 3 years full-time diploma computer engineering and 2 years part-time BCA. Unable to get graduation qualification due to two papers hasn't been completed and area duration. I have completed 14 years of overall experience. Can you tell me full college name? Will the degree considered as a full-time degree? Okay, I'll take one on one. Full college name is National College. Please watch the nationalcollege.in website. Okay. Will my degree considered as a full-time degree? Yes. I want to do BTech in computer information technology, AI, ML streams. Understandable. These are available. I am looking for overseas opportunity. Will my certificate get attested and be able to apply for PR? PR means permanent residency. I understand that, whether it's Canada or Australia. 100% yes. Reason: last so many years, our so many of candidates are doing this, and they are on PR in Canada, and yeah, that's it. I mean, and all that. You can ask questions. Go ahead. Uh, मिस्टर गौरव सिंह, आपका जो सवाल है वो आपको वन ऑन वन में पूछना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि दो चीजें इसके अंदर। एक तो ये है कि आपका मुझे ये मालूम नहीं है क्वालिफिकेशन कैसा है। जिस तरह से आप बोल रहे हो वैसे तो खैर नहीं होगा, बट समय बच सकता है। समय बचने के लिए आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स का होना जरूरी है। तो वो होने के बाद मैं शायद बता पाऊंगा कि क्या क्या आपने क्या क्या किया। मुझे कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है ना। Yes, Mr. Mohammed, most welcome. I'll address all the questions. Go ahead and ask. After 37 of years of experience, I answer everything. Don't worry. Which colleges are available in Gujarat and Tamil Nadu? See, National College basically in India, India and in Maharashtra, physically located. But now, since Corona, we have become extremely online, and now it is only online. After Corona, before Corona, after 2020, so first 22 years of our existence, we were only offline. So everybody has to walk in onto our premises and take the admission. But after Corona, it has become absolutely online. Everybody has. I mean, everybody also go. And which college you mean to say, Mr. Dinesh Raja? Sorry, he probably is asking which university. He probably said there will be same university will be available, but all depends upon your documents. Again, the university basically it's a government degree. So you do from university A or B or C or D or F. Please say once it is a government degree, right? Anybody? There is one more question. Chintan, is it possible to complete BTech in? I mean, you mean to say accelerated degree program? Again, the answer is same. So depends upon your documentation and experience. So once we come to know that, Mr. Chintan, yes, we'll let you know that. ADP, you mean to say accelerated degree program? Yes, people do. I mean, get that advantage, but only 10 seats are there under that. Mr. Deepak Valke, is there any process to complete? Yeah, earlier. You mean to fast? I mean earlier. Again, it is called as ADP, Accelerated Degree Program. Answer is yes, but again, I don't know your details. Like, I mean, what kind of details you have, like how many years of experience, and exactly what are the documents you have, right? So in that case, if fits into the all rules, then yes, and we take care of that. I mean, okay, we are almost about to close this. Please ask your questions. हिंदी में भी पूछिए अगर आपको सवाल पूछना है तो, and आप पूछ सकते हो, तो मैं जरूर जवाब दूंगा इसका। और हमारी तरफ से कम्युनिकेशन का राह देखिए। जब हमारी तरफ से आपको कम्युनिकेशन आएगा तो नेचुरली यू कैन गो एड विद दिस, राइट? वी आर अबाउट टू क्लोज दिस. आई नो बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने इसके समय में, लंच टाइम के समय में ये ज्वाइन किया होगा. Mr. Chintan, what is fees for BTech? So Mr. Chintan joined lately. ओके, पर जैसे मैंने कहा था, मैं 4 बार बता चुका हूँ, 5वीं बार भी दूंगा. तो यस, पर सेमेस्टर 50,000 रुपीज, इंस्टॉलमेंट फैसिलिटी, बैंक लोन फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल फॉर नेशनल कॉलेज. Dilip Walke, DMU, 20 years experience. Yes, sir. So then you are eligible. Yes. Please tell the available centers in Gujarat. When I'm telling everything is going online, only you have to go for examination to the university. What are the center has to do? Guys, move ahead. This is online. Then next question. Yes, Mr. Chintan, welcome. Good question, Mr. Paresh. Mr. Paresh is Sagathia. He's asking, ADP program has same fees? Yes. Whether you are under ADP, that is completing it fast, or going normal, fees is same. Mr. Paresh is giving us ideas to charge extra fee. We don't charge extra fee, please. But don't give us idea. Okay. Mr. Dinesh Raja. Examination, where I need to go? If you are selected, then you will get some government university center for examination. So that will come to know once we see your documentation, and once the admission happens, that may be the nearest to you or that may be the farthest to you. That's not in my hand or your hand. But once in a year, one can go. Don't worry. When we take the responsibility, you can't go anywhere. In Bangalore, which university we need to go? If you are staying in Bengaluru, we have n number of students from Bengaluru with us for so many years. Basically, in Bengaluru, we have a lot of PhD candidates. They are very senior guys. They are into all this TCS and Accenture and this Wells Fargo, and actually they're directors and all our students for PhD, right, in Bengaluru. And we do arrange a kind of, one day meet, just get together in those metro cities, particularly Bengaluru and Hyderabad and Chennai. So, and Mumbai, of course. So, just a minute, I missed that question. Yeah. So, in Bengaluru, whatever the university, everybody probably gets the same university. So that can be in Bangalore, in Mumbai, in Pune, in Nagpur, in Delhi, or Chandigarh, or say Jammu Kashmir, or like Madhya Pradesh, anywhere, right? But that will be same for all. And secondly, it is a government degree. Simple. That much trouble one should take, right? Who else give admission for the government degree? Nobody gives for working professionals. So once you get it, once in a year, 3 days, like weekly, I mean that 3 days off one can take and go and attend the exam. Simple as that. Can PSU consider degree? I am in PSU, Mr. Paresh. Yes, 100%. When this degree is eligible for government job, PSU of course consider this. But good question. I missed this particular. Actually, I missed the opportunity of telling this. Those who are in PSUs or government departments, they can take admission for these degrees. But we will need NOC from your office. No objection certificate. Format will give. You take it from them. Okay. Please keep this in mind. So if you want to use this degree in your organization for promotion, and if you are from the government degree, we'll need NOC. If you don't want to use for promotion, then it's okay. But otherwise, we need NOC is required. Not two things we are required. One is NOC from your organization. For other organizations, I mean, for other people, if there is a problem in getting the NOC, we'll give you some supplementary arrangements. But particularly in public sector unit, which are government organizations, then PUC is required. And secondly, this migration of your diploma, migration or transfer certificate or whatever it is. But we'll talk that later. I mean, when we'll cross that bridge when it comes. Next question. Hi, I am retired Air Force personnel with 20 years of experience. I had diploma in am I eligible ADP? Mr. Sunny Pandita. Oh, nice meeting you, Mr. Sunny. I just need to know your diploma is in what, and secondly, yes, you are eligible for ADP. Based upon your experience, I can tell. I have not seen your documents. Yes, Mr. Santosh Kumar. I have 17 years experience in civil. I have completed diploma course in 2005. I work started in 2009. Can I take BTech civil degree? No, 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 no. No, sir. No, no. Is that, I mean, that's not possible. That's not possible. Don't even believe in anybody if tells so. That is, you can get a degree of that. No, no, not possible. He's asking whether he can get civil degree between 2005 to 2009. Not possible, sir. I will not lie. Very transparent. If it is yes, yes. No, no. Rules. I mean, I mean, see, will not. We will be absolutely truthful and transparent. We'll tell the truth. That will help. That will help. Yeah. I appreciate your question. I mean, not wrong asking the question. One can ask the question. That is very natural and logical. I appreciate your question, but answer is also like, not possible, sir. How can I forward my Mr. Sunny Pandita? How can I forward my documents to you? So I have given one WhatsApp number, that is 908. Shall I? I mean, to whom I'll write that number, the 908 223 4277. So, Mr. Sunny, I have just sent you the number. You can send on that WhatsApp, or you can reply to our email also. You must have received email, and there is an email ID from which it came. So you can reply to that email also. But I just forwarded you the WhatsApp number. I can repeat the number: 908 223 4277. Right? That's a WhatsApp number. You can't call that number, but you can send WhatsApp. Simple. Mr. Pawan NS, I have finished diploma in 2006. I have experience of 13 years. Can we take BTech? Yes. Yes. Answer is yes, Mr. Pawan. One more question. Gaurav Singh. I complete my diploma in electrical engineering. Very good, sir. Yeah. बट वी नीड अगेन उसमें डॉक्यूमेंट्स देखने पड़ेंगे ना हमें कि भाई एग्जैक्टली कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट्स है कई बार मतलब वो उससे देखे बिना तो मुश्किल ही है प्लीज गो एंड आस्क क्वेश्चन आगे वो ये सवाल पूछिए डोंट वरी वे आर देयर टू आंसर I know National College is 27 years well known all over India. I mean, not only in India, outside India also. And Mr. Dilip Valke, which documents to be sent for verification? Basically, sir, आपका I mean your 10th diploma, 12th, or whatever educational documents you have, you send to your counselor or to the number which I told. Or if you want to, I can give that number again: 908 223 4277. मेरा याद हो गया नंबर अभी एक्चुअली ये हमारा ऑफिशियल नंबर भी है 908 223 4277. I'm just sending it to you also, sir, or you can send it to your counselor also, not an issue at all, right? Please do that. Yeah. Oh, Gaurav Singh, I complete my diploma in electrical engineering and 12th in 2018, 10th in 2016. Now I have 5 years of experience. So do I need to do BTech in backdate? So please, you are so young. Why you want to save yourself? Send your documents and we'll see. Basically, you are very young man. Come on. We'll check that. We'll check your document, but yeah, you are checked. Please contact your counselor for this. We'll be calling you for one more session. I'll be taking a few questions more. Can we enroll it? I didn't hear you, Mr. Pawan NS. Yeah, you can, Mr. Pawan. You can. You can. Means the earlier question was 13 years. Can we take BTech? That was your question, and yes, I answered that time. You couldn't hear. Okay. Next question, Dilip Walke. Do we need working certificate? No, not required. Not required. We don't need your working certificate, but if you want to use in your organization, then we need NOC from your organization. So it's up to you whether you want to produce it in your organization, then you need to give the NOC first. If you don't want to use it in your organization, some other organization, that's your choice. I mean, but basically we need NOC, right? NOC is a necessity. If at all there is a problem with NOC, then we will give you some via media. I mean, this thing, alternative. But NOC is required. Chintan, please do mail so we can send docs to what? Okay, I did my diploma in 2000. See, Mr. Chintan, if you can check the invitation which you got, and or you can send on the WhatsApp. You want email? I will send you email ID on that WhatsApp number from wherever you are sent. Mention your name also. But selection.committee at nationalcollege.in, where you can send your. I mean, okay, I'm sending it to you. This also, as well as this also. I'll send it to you. Or I'll ask someone to send it to you. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm working in private company. Also need NOC. Okay, you can take NOC from your organization, and your organization needs anything, we will provide them that. Simple. Or if you are having a PSU or a big organization where you are working, talk to their HR, call us there. We will give a one big seminar in your organization. That's what we do. That's why we are tied up with Jindal, Reliance, and the OTs and other companies and lots of pharma companies, right? We are officially type. Naukri.com, there's our official client. Simple. Go ahead. Anyone else? I'll take all the questions. As I told you, I'll answer all the questions. Next round is probably we'll call you on one-on-one meeting very soon, mostly next week, not now. And that time will be the final selection will be there. So I think I can say happily, thank you for joining, all of you, for sparing your time and joining over here. It was delightful experience to talk to you. आप सबने join किया, very good. Mr. Deepak Walke, I'm working in a private company, also need NOC. Yes. Can I get recording? Recording of what? This seminar? Yes. आप अपने इसको या आई हैव मिस्ड में ओके, आपको जो इसका पॉडकास्ट चाहिए तो ऑडियो मिल जाएगा इसका, आप जरूर सुन लीजिएगा इसको, ठीक है? जिनको भी चाहिए अपने अपने काउंसलर्स को बता दीजिए, हम लिंक भेज देंगे, डोंट वरी, एकदम ट्रांसपेरेंट सब कुछ, आपको वो भी मिल जाएगा, देना है तो आपकी कंपनी को भी दे दीजिएगा। Oh, Mr. Sandeep Kumar, I have completed my diploma in 2018. I have been working for last 7 years. I would like to know whether I can pursue BTech while continuing my job after joining. Answer is yes, 100%. Also, please let me know if the degree will be considered a regular degree or a distance or part-time degree. This degree is a regular degree which is called as a WILP, Work Integrated Learning Program. See, whenever it is not distance, it is not part-time. Engineering is not available in distance and part-time anymore, right? Yes, Deepak, Mr. Deepak. Yes, thank you very much. Most nice meeting to you. Yes. Okay. So I think time to say bye bye. Anything anybody wants to ask? Please ask. Please ask. Somebody ask something. Mr. Sachin Banker, please Banker or Banker. I mean, there are both surnames are there. I know that there is one surname called as a Banker and one surname is there's a Bunker. So please send NOC format. Yes, yes. I will send. I will ask the counselor to send the NOC format. If you have a counselor, if you don't have a, I mean, if there is a caller you know who called you, or else you can send the request to this number also, which I sent you just now, or to the email also. We'll send you the NOC format. Or why to send NOC format? I mean, I'll send you. I'll make it available on the website only. Download it and use it. But the best way, we'll send it to you personally. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. We'll call you for next week. Some of you will be selecting from this round and we'll call you next week for meeting one-on-one. And that will be some 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And see, anybody wants to meet us n number of times, they can request and meet us. Don't worry. Sandeep Kumar, where do you stay, Mr. Sandeep Kumar? Because he asked one question, so I have one question for him. He is in Gujarat. So, Mr. Sandeep Kumar, always first visit is to the university where you will be appearing for examination, right? So, give your dates accordingly. We'll arrange your first visit to the university. Okay, if you are selected, I'm not saying you are selected. Don't take the otherwise. Yeah, if you are selected, we'll arrange your first visit to the university campus itself. Right? Anything else? Mr. Sandeep Kaur, what is the selection process? As I told you, today those who have attended will be sending invitation letter to meet us like this. हमें ऐसे मिलिएगा, इसमें से हम सिलेक्ट करते हैं कुछ लोगों को, तो आपको वो वन ऑन वन मीटिंग में ही बता देते हैं कि आपका सिलेक्शन हुआ है नहीं हुआ है, जो भी है वो बता देते हैं, या वेटिंग पे है, आपको ईमेल भी वगैरह आता है उसका सिलेक्शन का, ईमेल आता है आपको सिलेक्शन का, कीप दिस इन माइंड, यू आर सिलेक्टेड, और फिर वो सिलेक्शन होने के बाद आपको चालू करके लिया जाता है। एक बार सिलेक्शन हो गया तो सारा आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारा बन जाता है, देन फिर हम वो क्या होता है ना पालकी ढोते वैसा, देन वी कैरी द कैंडिडेट वेरी वेल, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, राइट? Yeah, which part of Gujarat you stayed at? No, but yeah. Thank you very much, guys. We are about to close. So, shall I? If anybody has any question, please ask. अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल है तो जरूर पूछिएगा। यहाँ पे खत्म करते हैं. We are about to end this, and thank you very much for joining from all parts of the world. Somebody joined from my own town also. Mr. Ganesh Goraksha. What are you doing? Again, same surname. Goraksha Bunker or Banker, whatever. Sir, I have done 2 years full-time civil draftsman ITI and I have 20 years of experience. So my diploma is of 3 years of 2 years. Your diploma will be of 2 years. 2 years. Someone has joined from a town where I am born and brought up. That's what I've been told by my admin, and I'm so delighted. Who is that person from Palgar? I don't know. I don't know really. जहाँ से मैं born and brought up हुआ वहाँ उस शहर से भी कोई है तो चलो ठीक है. Thank you very much. I can see there are 4 or 5 our SRP candidates also there who are already there, and welcome them. They are already on board. हमारे जो ऑलरेडी स्टूडेंट्स है 4 या 5 आज में जो जिन्होंने अटेंड किया उसमें से वो भी है तो उन सबका भी आभारी हूँ आपने ज्वाइन किया. एंड देन थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. We'll keep you meeting. Have wonderful week ahead and thank you very much. Admin, I'm done. If at all anybody has question, please ask. Otherwise, we are done. Thank you, admin, for keeping me online. Otherwise, भरोसा नहीं admin भी कभी कट कर देता है. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Goraksh. They really tested me with the surnames. आले का तुमचं कोणी त्यात रेकॉर्ड काढल्यावर मिळेलच. पण मला वाटतं बीटेकचा बऱ्यापैकी सक्सेसफुल झाला आज ना बऱ्याच दिवसांनी. संपू तर दे हे संपू तर दे. अंजली आले की नाही कोण तुझे.
तर माझे मी जॉईन करण्यासाठी आता तर खूप कमी आले. जे जे कॉल आता केले ना जेव्हा स्टार्ट झालं तेव्हा ते बोलतात की नाही पॉसिबल पॉडकास्ट.
ठीक आहे पॉडकास्ट दे. पॉडकास्ट देईन आजच देईन सगळ्यांना. ठीक आहे.
तर माझं पण सेम झालं. तरी मला बघायचे अजून कोणते कोणते जॉईन खूप कमी आले. म्हणजे काही कळत नाही सर. म्हणजे सांगतात सकाळी पण सांगितलं हा आता जॉईन आम्ही होणार आहे. इवन मेसेजवर रिप्लाय केलं येस जॉईनिंग आणि जॉईन नाही होत.
ते ऑफिसमध्ये असतात इश्यू असतात होऊ शकतं ते त्याच्यामुळे ते होतं. ठीक आहे त्यांच्या हातात पूर्णपणे नसतं ते समजू शकतो पण बऱ्यापैकी होतं कम्पॅरेटिव्हली. मला वाटतं बीटेकचा सगळ्यात हायएस्ट अटेंडन्स होता का आजचा. हां ते आज
हे पण सांगितलेलं की किंवा ऑफिस आहे त्यावेळेस मी हे पण सांगितलं त्यांना की तुम्ही कॅमेरा ऑफ करा म्यूट करा
कानाला लावा. बरोबर आहे.
मला काय बोलत
बरोबर आहे.
नाही काहीच नाही. ठीक आहे मग ट्राय करतो असं पण सांगितलं.
ठीक आहे हरकत नाही. आता ते हा कोण हां हां तो एक तो सर्वांना नव्हता त्याला पण भरपूर प्रश्न. तो तर तयार आहे 2-3 जण तयार आहेत ऍडमिशन घ्यायला बसलेले. तोडणार आपण बीटेकचा तोडायचंच आहे आपल्याला घ्यायचेच आहेत. थोडा वेगळा होता ना वेबिनार आजचा. थोडे पॉइंट्स वेगळे होते. चेंज सगळं चेंज. आता बास सकाळपासून बोलतोय. किती 2 का 3 पीएचडी किती झाले नीलम किती झाले. 2 पीएचडी. एका जुन्या पीएचडीचं पुन्हा त्याला कन्व्हर्जन करून तो आज आज उद्या ऍडमिशन घेईल तो. हे 3 तसे पण तो लवकर संपला 5-10 मिनिटातच संपला. आणि हा वेबिनार आणि अजून 2 बाकी आहेत. बाय. हुशार आपल्याकडे आहेत लोक. त्यांना खोकला झाला त्यांना काय बोलताच येत नाही त्याच्यामुळे काय सांगण्यात पॉइंटच नाही. मला खोकला झालाय असं म्हटलं की मग आता काय बोलणार पुढे. हे म्हणजे काय. बाय बाय, जा आता, बस झालं. किती बोलायचं. कॉफी पिऊन पिऊन बोलतोय मी. त्या आईला